welcome to LA Cookie Con 2019. This is awesome. I have two performances, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. I'll try to share some of that with you. And in the meantime, let's take a look at some of the vendors and some of the fun things you can do, especially if you're a kid. They have balloons, people making these cool little balloons, and you can see some of them have them on their head. And look, she's making balloons, look at that.
Hello!
Hello, how are you?
Good, about yourself?
You guys do an amazing job, I just have to tell you, you do.
Yeah.
Some people are decorating cupcakes, check it out.
Hello.
Cupcakes and cookies and all kinds of fun stuff.
Brand new indoor bubble experience. We do creative things like giant bubble slide. We have a dry ice filled bubble over there. If you want to go check it out. Yeah, just
Nice.
fun, unique things that we do where we meld actually science into imagination and then we put bubbles in it. Makes it fun.
Hands-on, kids love it.
All interactive.
Nice.
What we do is we put dry ice. It's not actually safe to be handled, so it's protected in here. And then the dry ice sublimates and it comes out as smoke. And then we use the smoke here to infuse it into our bubbles. So we use a special bubble solution so that it can withstand the pressure that comes and so it doesn't pop. And then we can pop it and all the smoke comes out. Yep. And then we can also hold it in our hands. We can do a lot of things with it.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a recipe from the future, Back to the Future car, of course. So, here we go. Bye. So the cake competition, they have the, I think this is under 6 competition, really cool. This is my favorite. It's just so intricate, detailed wise. Pretty cool. That's really cool too, especially Valentine's Day coming up.
Please help me give a warm welcome to Mr. James Lamprey.
How are you doing? Good. So everyone excited to be here? Yes. Who do we have for volunteers? I didn't even tell you what you're volunteering for. You're volunteering to clean your rooms as soon as you get home. Congratulations. Good. So yay. Let's see. Blake doesn't know is he gets to decorate wearing oven mitts. I think you're going to do great. You good? Good? Now, I will be nice enough to open this up. Look at that. All right, ready, set, go. This is good. So we're doing well, Blake. We're doing really good. That is so awesome. I love that. You're doing so good, though. How is it working with oven mitts? Terrible, but they keep you from getting burned. Let's hold these up, and you can't hold yours, why not? I don't know why. Yeah, good job with those, by the way. You did an excellent job wearing those bubbles. Let's hold those up, we'll come right here. All three of y'all, stand right here. There, right, don't go too close. Come up, Benjamin, right? Yep. Stand right here. We'll get a picture. Look right at her first. But as I promised, he doesn't have to wear oven mitts. I didn't say anything about him not wearing. No. Boxing gloves. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
FunFoods FunFoods. We're gonna have our own FunFoods here on stage. Please give a warm welcome to Mr. James Lamprey.
How's everyone doing today? Good? Good. So, as he said, we are going to be making something fun today, and we're going to be making a chocolate rice Krispie, but it's going to be football shaped, of course, because apparently there's a big game happening later on today. I don't know if you know about that. Well, that's it. That's LA Cookie Con. This was my second year there, and I had a great time. A lot of fun, as always. And there's a lot more vendors that I didn't film. I just got too busy and I didn't film them. But there's a whole bunch more vendors, more people presenting, as well as Rosanna Pansino, who went on stage right after me on Sunday. I'll share a little photo of us backstage right there. That was really cool to meet her again. I met her in 2015 and we haven't seen each other since. It was really cool. But a lot of other people like Ron Ben Israel, Adriano Zumo, just a whole bunch of other people that I met and had a great time. So, and of course I'm so horrible at vlogging that I forget to end my vlogs. That's why I'm doing it here back home. So I hope everyone has a good time. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to see the full Sunday performance, I live streamed it on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link below to that. Special thanks to Emily Baker, who took all the still photography. I'll put a link to her channel as well. And thanks to everyone who came out. Had a great time. Bye.